Hello everybody, it's Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. Here it is, the non-hybrid variant of the all-new generation Honda City. It's now officially launched and I'm going to bring you guys on a closer look around the car. First, let's take a walk through the car. Exterior design, it's not as aggressive looking as the RS variant, the range-topping RS, but it still gets some cool bits such as this chrome bar on the front grille, full LED headlamps with LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, and over to the side, 16-inch alloys. Although it's single tone, I think it doesn't look as nice as the RS variant. Honda lane watch right here. As I've mentioned in my previous video, chrome door handles with keyless entry. And over to the back, you get the same shark fin antenna, LED combination tail lamps. Boot space is massive, 519 litres, although it's still about 11 litres smaller than the previous generation City. Now, let's check out the interior. Now, seated inside the City V-Spec, the cabin feels a little bit more airy because it doesn't have the black headlining as the RS variant, and this ivory as well as black dual-tone interior just lifts the entire cabin ambience. Standard features in here include this new generation of instrument cluster with a center MID display. There's no LCD screen like the range-topping RS variant. 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, again that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Single-zone automatic climate control. Manual parking brakes, not electric like the range-topping City RS, as well as a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters. Other cool features that you get in this City V-Spec include Honda Lane Watch, which you're able to see your blind spot on the left-hand side of the car, remote engine start, as well as leather seats that are manual adjustments. However, you don't get the full suite of Honda sensing ADAS. You only get 6 airbags, ABS, ESC, the usual stuff. Into the back seats of the City V-Spec, I have the front seat adjusted to my usual driving position and I'm 175 cm tall. About 3.5 tennis balls worth of space, very generous. Space in the footwell is fantastic as well. Rear air vents, two 12-volt socket, a center armrest with 2 cup holders. Another thing, the headrests are non-adjustable just like the Nissan Almera. And also, something that's non-adjustable is the seat belt's height. Underneath the hood is an all-new 1.5-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder i-VTEC petrol engine that pushes out 121 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque. Now, if you think that the power output is very similar to the previous generation City, the biggest difference in the new City's engine is the inclusion of dual overheated cams, DOHC, and it brings down the fuel consumption to 5.4 litres per 100 km. It's paired to a CVT automatic to drive the front wheels, and in this V-Spec, it gets paddle shifters as well. 0 to 100 takes 10.4 seconds in this V-Spec, but the lower grade variant with smaller 15-inch alloys does it in 10.2 seconds. There you have it guys, the all-new Honda City. I think it looks great in person. The features and equipment levels that Honda Malaysia has spec'd this car is just top-notch, and the pricing, come on, it's super attractive. But let me know in the comment section below whether would you put your money down on this new Honda City. As always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Head on over to WapCar.my for the latest reviews, comparisons, photos, and virtual reality showroom to help you decide on your next perfect car.